Hello my dear friends. Good afternoon ma'am. I think you all had a wonderful time in lab, right? Okay. We all are electrical and electronics and communication engineering, and I think it is a minimum responsibility to know about the gadgets we have now. See, even the gadget is small or large, we have a lot of advantages with it. I have taken a few examples of gadgets to explain how they are becoming a part in our day-to-day life and how they are useful to us. See, I don't know how many people of you know about it. It is the electronic gadget which is specially designed for the blind people. Its name is finger reader, and when the people, it is a wearable device to the finger. When the blind people wear it to the finger and move it on the across the paper, it records the sentences, and when he gets deviated from the sentence, it warns him. It is also a special type of electronic gadget which is mainly designed for the blind people. We are the luckiest people, we have a vision, but electronic gadgets also help blind people see. It is known as correcting lens, and it has small pores inside the lens, and when the object is nearer to them, the object shape will be assigned to the small pores, and the LEDs which is present in those correcting lens starts blink up, and the person notices that something which is in front of him. Thus the electronic gadget helps for the blind people. And here are four more electronic gadgets. The first one is a new invention, this electronic gadget is mainly used for charging mobile phones, and this is a backpack which is used by the space invaders, and it is a Bluetooth, you all know. It is a common medium we are used for sharing and transferring files, and drones. These are the special type of equipments which are used to capture photos and videos. After looking at some slides, I think you all know about the advantages of electronic gadgets we have. What are the advantages we have by these electronic gadgets? See, best communication is possible with the technology we have and the electronic gadgets we have, and better education is possible with these electronic gadgets, and we get different type of jobs, and life becomes easier with these electronic gadgets, and it also saves a lot of time to us. It also gives a lot of entertainment to us, and we can create new things by using these electronic gadgets. Okay. Every deed has merits along with demerits, like two faces of a coin. Now, let us see the disadvantages of the technology and electronic gadgets we have. I have taken a known examples to us. You all are aware of computers, and we all know how to operate a computer, and we all know computer is very important and essential electronic gadgets, and we all using it day by day. But how many of you know about the effects caused by a computer? See, it causes physical and internal organ disorders, and it causes obesity. Let me explain how computers are responsible to cause obesity. If lack of physical work, by using electronic gadgets, we are not supposed to do lot of physical work. Hence, if we lack of doing physical work, if we are not using our physical organs properly, it will the energy which we consume gets deposited in the form of fat. And if we get obese, then it definitely affects our heart. We get heart attacks, and diabetes is the most commonly disease which is caused by obesity, and neck pain, shoulder pains. We are used to sit like this in a computer. We get eye diseases because the computer's flash is not bearable flash. It is not good to our eyes. And see, effects of television. After going home, we all stick to television. But how many of you know television also causes a lot of effects? How many of you maintain 30 feet distance while watching television? Okay, right. While watching television, we all have to maintain 30 feet distance from it. Okay? Because the radiations which are emitted from the television is very harmful to us. It will affect our eyes. And while watching television, don't don't use a lot of sound because it causes hearing problems, and all are fond of music and all are allowed to listen songs. Now I would like to tell what are the effects caused by the music players, hearing disabilities and nervousness. And coming to mobile phones, we all are using mobile phones and it will damage our brain cells. Text messaging syndrome is the most common disease which is coming to the people when we are spending a lot of time while chatting. And eye disorders. It also causes eye disorders. And conclusion. Finally, what I would like to tell is, if we use technology in a proper way, we can create wonders with it. And if we use it in a bad way, it will definitely cause adverse effects to us. Okay. And the final one, what I had to say is, use electronic gadgets, don't get used by them. Thank you.